Hello and welcome back to this course. Today in this video we will discuss about the buffer output stream class in Java. So you can see in the hierarchy that buffer output stream is the child class of the filter output stream. We have discussed about the filter output stream in our previous video. So in this video we will discuss about its child class, which is a buffered output stream. So let's see what is buffered output stream in IO package. So Java buffered output stream class is used for buffering an output stream. It internally uses buffer to store data. It adds more efficiency than to write data directly into the stream, so it makes the performance fast. So definitely it uses the buffer inside, so that definitely it increases the performance of the writing data to the file. And this class now extends the filter output stream class. So these are the methods that are present in the buffered output stream class. So this method basically flush the buffered output stream. We have also discussed about the buffered. We have also discussed about the flush method in our previous video. Next we have the write method, in which have an array, then integer type variable of, then integer type variable length. This method writes length byte from specific byte array starting as offset of to this buffered output stream. So this method helps us to write data in the file. When we want to write data from an array, we start from the off and it writes the length bytes of data. Next we have the overloaded version of the write, and this method helps us to write the specified byte to this buffered output stream. If we want to write some specific byte to the buffer, then we use this write method. So these are the methods that are present in the buffered output stream class. Now let's get our program on our NetBeans to see that how we can write our code using the buffered output stream and how we can write data using the buffered output stream. So in NetBeans, first of all, I am going to type here file output stream fout equals to new file output stream, and in the constructor I type the path. I change it again, these slashes. And I import the file output stream class. Okay. And also throws the file not found exception. After that I type here buffered output stream bo equals to new buffered output stream, and in here I type the out. Okay, and I import the buffered output class. Okay, and after that I type here string str equals to I love to code in Java. Okay, and I type here byte b equals to str dot get bytes, and I type here bo dot write b, and I just throw the IO exception. After that bo dot flush bo dot close, and fout dot close, and I print a statement here system dot out dot println. I type here done. Okay, so now if I run my program, you will see done on the screen. If I go to my folder and I open it, you will see I love to code in Java is written in the file right now. So I hope that you understand. Anyhow, if you feel any problem by understanding the classes in file handling in Java, you can definitely ask me a question. I am always here to help you. So that's it for this video. In our next video, we will discuss about the buffered input stream class. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.